Ashley Arnold, an assessment consultant with WPS. Today, I'm here to show you what you get when you order the ABAS-3 Complete Kit. So, whether you call it the ABAS, the ABAS, or the OPUS, it's going to provide you a comprehensive measure of adaptive functioning skills across the lifespan, from ages 0 to 89, that only takes about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. So in the kit, you're going to receive different rating forms, 5 to be in fact. First, you have the parent primary caregiver form, which is for ages 0 to 5. Next is the teacher daycare provider form for ages 2 to 5. Then you have the parent form for ages 5 to 21. Next, you have the teacher form for ages 5 to 21. And then last but not least, you have the adult form. The adult form is for ages 16 to 89. Fun fact, the adult form can actually be used as a self-report measure of adaptive behavior skills. So besides the rating forms, in the kit, you're going to receive a manual. The manual includes helpful information such as an FAQ table that answers a lot of commonly asked questions. But perhaps my favorite feature of the ABAS-3 kit is the intervention planner. The intervention planner provides simple, straightforward activities that is helpful in making individualized, student-specific recommendations. It's available for every single ABAS-3 item across all rating forms. All of these components are available online through our online evaluation system platform, which allows you to email a link to the rater to complete the form electronically. So no matter the age of the individual or the setting, you're going to find that the ABAS-3 is helpful in determining eligibility for services and program, determining and making disability diagnoses, also useful for progress monitoring, or evaluating the capability of an individual to live or work independently. So thank you for visiting us today. If you have any questions about the ABAS-3 or any of our other products, please visit wpspublish.com. Thanks and have a great day.